Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog. This is the school. School time. I just dropped the kids in school today. I'm using hamsters so that I can exercise also. I don't have time to go walking. I have walk. The lampshade. I have a nice lampshade. The wind is hot, but it's cloudy. Early morning and early evening, it's already dark. But noon time, the wind is hot. I just came from dropping the kids in school today. See?